All right, took the deadbolt off, and that's why I discovered a problem. Somebody had painted this door, so there is behind this a different color than this color of the door. So this deadbolt plate is not the same size. You can see that it's slightly smaller. Anyways, it's smaller, and when I took this off and put this on, I should have did this video with this dead plate off, but you could see a border around it of the old color of the door. Same with this. You could see here that this isn't the same size. So my advice is to check your current door plating, take them off to make sure that especially if you have a pretty wide one like I have existing now, and if you're trying to go to something like this, which is smaller, it's gonna show. If you're a brand new door, freshly painted, not gonna have a problem. So I'm gonna keep it and look into having this door refinished, maybe repainted entirely, and then I could change out these. But for now, great looking lock. This handle is beautiful right here. Feels very sturdy, but gonna have to wait to enjoy it.